My name is Mary, and I'm from Canada. Today's idiom is all the bells and whistles. I have a few historical examples to share with you. 18th and 19th century fire engines were equipped with bells and whistles to warn people, drawing attention to an emergency. The Salvation Army used instruments like bells and whistles in their marches and gatherings to attract attention to their cause and message. Finally, circuses used bells and whistles, colorful posters, and other promotional tactics to draw crowds to their shows. The current usage today, all the bells and whistles, is a common idiom used to emphasize the presence of numerous additional features or enhancements, from consumer electronics to software applications to automobiles. It signifies having an abundance of features or attributes, often exceeding what is necessary or essential. Which idiom would you like me to discuss? Share your suggestions in the comments below. Bite the bullet idiom is next in the idiom series. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can see all the Talking with Mary books on Amazon.